We started in 6 small rooms. They were Sunday school meeting rooms for the church. And we were a group of educators following a call to start a Christian school committed to God-honoring excellence. It was the era of Vietnam, and plans were set to begin building the World Trade Center Twin Towers in 1964. And we were here in Glendora. We had chalkboards and 64 students in kindergarten through grade 6. Pretty soon, those chalkboards turned into whiteboards. Hand-cranked ditto machines became copiers. Overhead projectors are now smart TVs and streaming content. We purchased property, constructed buildings, and added the Route 66 campus. Everything has changed, but our dedication has been the same since day one in those 6 rooms. 55 years later, we will continue to be among the best, leading with innovation in technology and the arts, and always committed to Christ.